Hey guys, this is just a video to show you how many all my Pacific engines. I have 7 Canadian Pacific engines. To start off with, I have my ES44 AC Intermountain 8712. It has sound in it. Full engine. I bought it for $240. Not very powerful. That's why I bought these. ES44AC number 8732 and number 8726. All Intermountains run perfectly together. That logo is smaller than that logo. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a lot smaller. These two I got for $150 a piece. They do not have sound, but they're Intermountain. I'm probably going to add sound to them just to make it look more realistic. I got this CP AC4400 CW at the Essex show. I've had for a while. 9524. Came weathered, momentum. I took that off. Weathered, momentum, sound, everything for $120, I think. Really good deal. It's a Kato. Then moving on, it's dual flag. I have my Canadian Pacific Beaver logo. This can also run with my 3 S44 ECs. That I usually run that with my SOO SD40-2. So moving on, another Kato. As you can tell, I haven't put the grab irons on yet. So I gotta put all those on. Gotta do a lot of work on it. Still programmed at 03. Need to get it reprogrammed. But Beaver logo 9608 AC4400 CW. It's a Kato. Surprised these two can't run together. They're both Katos. Both AC4400 CWs. Okay, next we're moving on to my Athearn SOO SD40-2 number 757. It was scrapped in 2005 in real life. The beacon light does not work. Sucks. In real life they had one. That engine, and my 3 S44Cs can all run together. It's very nice. Last but not least, we have my GP38 8205 old paint scheme. Still programmed 03. It's very nice. That can run with that. 9608. Very nice locomotive, but that's about it. Okay. So there we go. I have a picture of all my video. 7. Yeah, 7 in total. And only one is 8 axles.